What's up, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some pretty cool ideas on how to start a YouTube channel without showing your face. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I bring out videos showing you how you can start making some money online. So go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, how do you start a YouTube channel without showing your face? There's actually multiple ways you can do this, and I'm going to show some of those methods. Now, the first way is simply recording your screen. Like I'm doing now, it is very simple. If you have something in your head, some knowledge, maybe you can build websites, maybe you can use ClickFunnels, maybe you know something, well, you more than likely know something that someone else doesn't know. Well, you can record your screen teaching people how to do that. Now, on all my videos on this channel, you can see I actually have quite a lot. I've never ever shown my face. That might change in the future. I might experiment with a few different things. But so far, I have not shown my face once, and I still get subscribers. Now, there's another channel similar to mine. We'll just do that for a minute. His name is Justin Bryant. He has 190,000 subscribers, and all he is records his screen. So he has all these different videos, and they're just screen recordings, and he's at 190,000 subscribers. So how do you screen record your screen? Well, there's plenty of services out there. Well, I mean softwares. There's plenty of softwares out there. Now, my personal favourite is Screencast-O-Matic. They have a lot of features and it's relatively cheap. Now, they do have a free version, but it does leave a watermark on that. So just bear that in mind. So this is really good. I use this for all my videos. I have done since I've started the channel. And if we go over to pricing, we can actually see how cheap this is. So the Solo Deluxe billed yearly is $1.50 a month. The Solo Premier is $4 a month billed yearly. So if we scroll down, you can see this is the free version. You're going to see what you get with the free version. Again, that's going to leave the watermark. So you do want the Deluxe or the Premier. I think it works out around $15 a year. So really, really cheap. And this is the one that I recommend if this is the route that you want to go. Now, as always, I am going to leave a links for all these in the description below so you can go through and check them out. Now, the second way is by making content videos. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, there's a software out there just here called Link2Vid. Now, if you want to start a YouTube channel, don't want to put your face on camera, and you want to do affiliate marketing, then this software is amazing. So why is it amazing? Well, if we scroll down a little bit, we can go to here. You can turn any content-based URL into a content video. So this is really, really powerful. All you do is plug in a URL and bam, you have a video that you can actually upload to YouTube. So if we scroll down a little bit more, you can see it already has YouTube and Vimeo API integration. Instantly add royalty-free images to your videos or upload and use your own images. This software is amazing and perfect if you don't want to show your face and if you don't even want to talk. Now I'm going to show you a video which actually uses this software. So this is what the video would look like. Just play that for a second so you can see. As you can see, it's just a content video. So you plug a URL of any website, any content page, and it will turn it into a video like this, and then you can upload that to YouTube. So why would you want to do that? Well, this is specifically for affiliate marketing. Now, as you can see here, this channel uses the software. They've only got 143 subscribers, but on this video, they've had over 10,000 views. So why is that important? Because this link just here. Now, if we click this link, it opens up an affiliate offer, and this is that offer. Now, so they've had 10,000 people watch this video, and quite a few of those 10,000 people would have gone through to this offer and brought this product, giving the people who own this video, this YouTube channel, a commission. So they're actually making affiliate commissions by making these simple content videos just by using this software. Pretty powerful. So that's the second way that you can create videos without showing your face. Now, the third way is making gameplay videos. Now, this niche is massive. There's a lot of money to be made here. So if you play a lot of computer games, you can simply just record your gameplay and make a channel around that. So this channel is called Massive G. As you can see, they've got 700,000 subscribers, and all they do is record their gameplay. Very, very simple. So this is another great way that you can start a YouTube channel without showing your face. Now, another way to make a YouTube channel without showing your face is with compilations. So let me just close these two for a second. With compilations, there's quite a few different channels out there that are already doing this, and they're making a killing. Now, this channel is called The Best Fails. They've got 725,000 subscribers, and all they do is put together compilations. So if we go to this one, Teen Fails, you can see that these are nothing more than simple compilation videos. Now, I'm going to show you how you can make these, because it's actually pretty simple. All you would do, let's just watch a little bit more of this for a second. As you can see, there's no watermarks in the videos. You wouldn't know who to give credit to with these little mini videos within the compilation. So to make these, it's actually pretty simple. What you would want to do is download these videos. It's really simple to do that. You can simply go to somewhere like savefrom.net or Clip Converter, download the videos, and then take short little clips out of this. So you could take a minute clip here, a minute clip there, a minute clip there. Do this with a couple of different videos and then put them together yourself, and bam, you have a compilation video. Now, I am going to do a more in-depth video on how to do this, and if I've already done that, you can click that card in the right hand corner to go through and watch it. So there you have it. There's some pretty cool ideas to start a YouTube channel without showing your face. Now, if you liked this video, then leave a comment down below this video saying that you liked it, or if you didn't like it, because I plan on bringing out a lot more YouTube content in the near future. Main reason being, YouTube is the place to be at the minute. If you're not building a YouTube channel, you're missing out. Because building a channel, building a following, building a group of people that know, like and trust you is the business of the future. It really is. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.